What did he say?
How you pushed me up? He was like, oh no, she.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my leg day. So if you haven't caught on, I am posting a new video every day for the last 12 days until Christmas. So I'm sharing with you guys all the things that I love, things that I'm into, and I love to work out, and leg day is of course my favorite day. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do on leg day. Okay, so some outfit details. This entire outfit, the top is this nice cute flowy white top from Fabletics, and these pants, these leggings, are from Fabletics as well. Trying to get into the holiday spirit. And these not so white sneakers were actually, okay, no close-ups. Actually my gym sneakers when I used to go to the gym, and then we went on lockdown, and then I just never went back to the gym, and I started working on our own personal gym in our basement. So yeah, so some necessities is definitely pre-workout, my favorite. I chugged that down already, and my headphones, and let's get to the warm-up. Okay, so I always start my workouts with stretching. I love to stretch before every workout. Sometimes I even foam roll to really make sure that my back, my hamstrings, my legs are stretched out. For my warm-up, I really like to fire up the glutes. Since it's a leg day, I like to use some glute activation exercises. So I just do this until I get a really good burn before I start my workout. First things first, I really need like good pumping music every single time I work out. Like, I cannot listen to no slow music. I need pumping music. So on my first leg day, I do pretty much all the compound movements. So this is squats, deadlifts, hip thrusts. That is what you'll see today. So I do like 10 to 12 of these. I'm trying to move up my weight. Right now this is a 40-pound bar, and I put 5 plates on the side, and I take a 60-second rest, and then I do this for 3 more sets. Then for my deadlifts, which is not the best form, I'm still working on it, I have 2 25 plates on both sides, and I do 12 sets of 4 reps. Workout. You feel definitely the burn on this one. I feel like this is like every girl's favorite workout. I did how many reps? I did like 12 to 15 reps, and I did 3 sets of this. Yeah, not the best angles. So I did some leg curls or leg extensions, I think these are called, and hamstring ones as well, but I did not like the clips on these. Like, I feel like it's like a really awkward angle for the hamstring curls, so we're gonna skip right through this one and go to the next workout, which is like pretty much my burnout. I did some hip extensions, I believe these are called, and I did 15 3 sets on each side. So that's the end of the workout. I am hot, sweaty. I did get a good workout in, but you will notice that some of the clips look different because when I got to the leg press part, my camera decides to fall and not turn back on. So I had to film the rest of the workouts using my phone. But we made it this far. Now I'm going to just whip myself up a protein shake, shower, and call it a day. I hope you liked this video, my first time ever filming a workout. But if you want to see more videos like this, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.